Good evening. Welcome to my channel. I am Sudhanya Sengupta. Today's my topic is It's Raining. In winter, it's raining. This is for class 3. After this lesson, students will be able to understand about rain, clouds and rainbow. There is a poem about rain. What a lovely poem. Fair and white, grey and black. The clouds arrive in a magic pack. Elephants and horses, dogs and fawns. Sometimes they look like a pair of songs. In moments they come, in moments they go. Sometimes they freeze and for a week they stay. And sometimes they disappear for many a day. Sometimes they pour, sometimes they thunder, spreading the clouds in a rainbow of wonder. And sometimes they hail, pelting the ground, breaking the glass in ringing tunes. Now, some questions for you. What all do the clouds do? Have you ever seen the rainbow? Yes or no? When can you see the rainbow? How do you feel when it's rain? Apart from clouds, what do you see when it's rain? What happens when it rains? There are few questions you can answer to. Make a paper boat and float it on water. Everyone know the paper boat like this. Make a paper boat and float it on the water. This is a lovely game. By listening to children's experience related to rain, a discussion can make place on a good and bad effects of rain. Now, the keywords: rain, clouds, and rainbow. They three are the main points or main keywords in this lesson. I hope you all can understand. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and stay healthy, stay safe and good night.